Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about vocabulary tips for Cambridge Advanced. During the video, there are some great tips on how to use vocabulary to improve your English level and some tasks for you to complete. And remember, if you're preparing for a Cambridge exam or you want to know any more about it, I highly recommend subscribing to Home Studies. We also invite you to turn on the notifications so you don't miss any new videos and give us a like. And we're asking today, vocabulary isn't as important as grammar. Do you agree or disagree? I disagree, and I'll tell you why. Grammar is the foundation. It's the bricks and the mortar. It's the empty rooms and it's the structure. But vocabulary is the decoration. It gives you the personality and the descriptive language, the rugs on the floors and the pictures on the walls, and that's why vocabulary is just as important as grammar. I'm often asked, how can I learn vocabulary and how can I record vocabulary effectively? Here we have a word family table, and this is a really useful way of recording vocabulary. When you learn a new word, you can spend 5 to 10 minutes with a dictionary, or even better, ask your home studies teacher for other words in that word family. Let's look at the word use. From this little 3-letter word, we get 11 other words. For the noun, we have use and user, plural noun, uses and users, verb, use and also reuse, adjective, useful, usable, negative adjective, useless, unusable, and adverb, usefully. Let's try one together, shall we? Here is the word stem, believe. Pause the video and see how many other words you can come up with. Press play when you're ready to check your answers. Let's see how you did. So for our noun, we got belief. Plural noun, beliefs. Verbs, there are actually 2. I wonder if you got them both. Got believe and disbelieve. The adjective, believable, and the negative adjective, unbelievable. And the adverb, unbelievably. And interestingly, we only have one adverb and it can only be negative, so unbelievably, not believably. Having a table like this is a great way to help you to study and to remember vocabulary, which really helps you in use of English Part 3. Because a word family table is such an essential tool, we'd like to give you a free download of ours to help you get started. Just click the link below. Now let's look at a practical way of using this. In use of English Part 3, you're given a text with some gaps and some words at the ends of the lines to form into words which fit into the text. The first thing to do is to identify what type of word is missing. So now, pause the video whilst you decide and press play when you're ready to check your answers. Let's see how you did. So 17, we need a singular noun. 18, an adverb. 19 is a plural noun. 20 is a noun. 21, another plural noun. 22, an adverb. 23, an adjective. And 24, another adjective. Now you've done this, pause the video again and use the word at the end of the line to form the word you need. Off you go. Let's check your answers together. So for 17, our singular noun, variation. For 18, the adverb was increasingly. For 19, the plural noun was findings. For 20, the noun was absorption. 21, the plural noun, measurements. 22, the adverb worldwide. 23, the adjective unbelievable. And last but not least, 24, the adjective problematic. How did you do? Thank you so much for watching our video, and we really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.